Hey vloggy vlog, my name is Connie G and the G is for going places. Did you miss me? Cause I missed y'all. Well, this is another get ready with me, but this time it's for my birthday and unfortunately we're not traveling anywhere because I was laid off, but there's gonna be more on that in another video. Let's get into the birthday goods. If I would have known I was going to be laid off, I would not have went as crazy as I did, you know, but I was feeling like, since I'm not going anywhere, why not? And then life. But waited some weeks, I ordered 2 outfits. Let's start off with Timo. This was the first thing I opened. I got some sponges, a lash kit that I need to learn how to use, socks. This is a part of my birthday outfit number 1. I got stag socks. I got some hair clips, some belly ring. I'm gonna be wearing this one for my birthday. And I got a contour stick because I wanna learn. Last minute, I decided that I do want to add a second outfit, so like this outfit took forever for me to decide on, but this came from ASOS. This is a cute 2-piece.
This is not white.
And this looks huge. I don't know if you can see the color. It is like a cream color, and I thought it was supposed to be white. On the model it looked white. I guess it's gonna have to do because my birthday is like 2 weeks away.
And this is the top.
I don't even know which way this goes. I'm gonna assume it goes like this. That's supposed to be my outfit to dinner. I'm gonna try that on later and let me see. Because no way right now. Okay, I'm gonna pull up the picture of the model right here. Tell me if that looks up to you. Tell me. We got another big package from Farfetch, and these are my birthday shoes. I was so excited for these immediately. When they came in, I opened them right away because I wanted to make sure they fit and I wanted to make sure they were comfortable. You know, for me to like walk around in. They were 10 out of 10. These shoes, my friend said they like grandma shoes. Yeah, I feel like they look like grandma shoes. Look how cute is this? Grandma shoes wear. And the heel is perfect because it's not that high, but it still gives, you know, high heel. And it's comfortable to walk in because if you're going to pay money for shoes, at least make them comfortable. I'm excited for those. These are going to be my second shoes for the night. I'm supposed to be going to dinner to Noble. And I hope it's good. I'm so disappointed in that ASOS outfit. I don't understand right now. I can't believe it right now. I also got an accessory from Givenchy. I can't wait to try it on. This is just a cute little bracelet. It's so tiny. Is it even gonna fit around my wrist? Okay, it is. Look how cute is that? This is another bracelet for my outfit number 1 from Marc Jacobs. Also in a little pouch. This is their charm bracelet, which is so cute. This comes with the daisy flower, the Marc Jacob tote, a shoe, a heart, a star, and the Marc Jacob tag. This is adorable. See? Okay. That's gonna be for outfit number 1. The perfume set from Sephora. I wanted to get back into like my perfume. Now I feel like that I'm so much more grown. I do not need to be wearing Bath and Body spray. Oh, Bath and Body Works and stuff like that. I need smells that are gonna be long lasting. So I got the Good Girl Mini, and it comes with Good Girl Blush and just the Good Girl. It smells like real grown and sexy. It honestly smells a little bit like the Prada Paradox perfume, but look how cute and tiny this is. Oh my gosh. Let's see what this one smells like. They smell very similar to me, but the bottle is real cute. I also came across this, which was $90 on Sephora, and it says $159 value. The second Good Girl, I'll just share with my mom and I'll give her her own. But they have other good perfume choices in here, like Gucci, Burberry, Juliet, Nest, Missing Person, and Rosie Jane. I really just bought it for the Burberry and the Gucci. This is so cool because it says, try 7 samples, choose your favorite fragrance, own a full size. So that's cool that they do that. How do you get your full size? Okay. They send you a certificate for you to order your full-size bottle of whichever one that you liked. That's really good. Now I feel like this was definitely worth it because I get a full-size bottle for basically $90. Plus samples. But anyways, you already know how the Good Girl one smells. The Gucci Mini. This is really adorable. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Gucci Mini smells like... smells floral. All of this is giving me old lady vibes. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's giving like just real girl, but not a grown that's like, ooh, that smells good. Okay. Burberry Goddess. That smells really good. I don't know what I can't describe. It just smells good. We're gonna give reviews with little to no details. Good. Gucci, old lady. Burberry, good. Good Girl sounds like Prada Paradox. Yeah, that's exactly what that smells like. Nest, New York smells dang. Smells okay. Smells okay. Lila Lou by Rosie Jane. I see it. I'm gonna run out of places to roll on. I don't like that. Like, it's not bad, but I don't like that. I don't know. By Missing Person, or Missing Person is the scent. It's like, it doesn't smell like much. It smells good. It's not too strong. I was expecting way stronger than that. Lastly, this is Juliet Has a Gun. I don't know. The last 2 spray ones, it could be that I just spray too much, but these aren't as strong. They have like very subtle smells. So this is my gift sampler from Sephora. Since we're on the topic of perfume, so I ordered from Walmart. I had got another Burberry set because they only had the Burberry Goddess there. And I think that's gonna be my full size. That smells good. I got another mini set from Walmart on Burberry. This is the Burberry Her collection. This is the travel size. So they came with 2 of the pink ones of Her. They got one for Toilette. And then they got a yellow one, green and yellow. Green is Toilette and the yellow is London Dream. I'm guessing this is the one, the pink one is the one everyone goes crazy for. I'm not gonna be able to smell these, to be honest, but this is what they're looking like. They came with 2 pinks, 1 green, and 1 yellow. This is another package from Puffer Red. This is my skirt for outfit number 1. I got this from Purple Brand Jeans. This is cuter than I thought, to be honest, and I'm happy I got it because I was contemplating, like, should I get it? Should I not get it? I'm happy I got it. I also ordered a hoodie, and I feel like the hoodie was impulse purchase. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because it is the middle of June. What am I doing with a hoodie? This is nothing special, but I wanted it, so I got it. The black on black Denim Tears hoodie. I was especially excited for this one because these are my sneakers for the outfit number one that goes. Back to what I was saying before I was really interrupted. Hopefully the quality looks the same. My iPhone ran out of storage in the middle of me filming all of this. I was saying though, I was extremely excited about this package. This goes with my skirt that I just showed you. I got some baby. Okay, it came with a baby dust bag, pink laces, bathing and the moment of truth.
These look a little funny.
Looks like fake sneaker vibe. The accessory here is what prompted me to get the bedazzle skirt. If you see what I mean, that would be extremely cute with the skirt. We got into the detail, but this looks nothing like the picture. I don't know anything about sneakers because there's no way. The material is lifting here, if you can see that.
Disappointed again.
Lord. Very disappointed and sad right now. These were supposedly authenticated by StockX, but whatever they say, I guess. Next, this package. These are some sunglasses from Fiorucci. These are also a part of the second outfit. So it's these shades, the babies, the skirts. Look at this. The details. Get into the details for me. Oh, whose birthday is it? It's my birthday. Yeah. Also from Fiorucci. This is the shirt. Looks big. This is a man shirt. You see the yellow, the greens. It's a colorful shirt that goes with the sneakers and the skirt. I wish I found someone to like cut this shirt for me. Lastly, this is from St. Bart's. Cute bag that goes in my outfit. It's a lot smaller than I thought, which is good because I didn't want a huge bag. St. Bart's. And that was my unboxing. Let me see. Oh, this is really cute. Bart's is the place to be. This is very spacious. And that is my birthday unboxing. I'm excited to be turning another year older and wiser and more beautiful this year. And yeah, next time you'll be seeing me, I will be most likely doing my hair and getting my nails done. And then I'm also going to be taking you guys along to see like my little brother's graduation and prom, because my birthday is Juneteenth and his graduation and prom. Graduation is June 18th, prom is June 18th. Like, so I wanted to get this out of the way. Finally got to open all my packages. I want to try these clothes on. But yeah, bye. Hey YouTube, I am back. Last place that I left off was a couple weeks ago when I was opening my packages. I was extremely disappointed by everything I received. Fast forward, we are 2 days away from my birthday and 1 day away from my little brother's graduation. We're on the move. We're going to be getting our lashes done today. We're going to be getting our nails done today and doing our hair. Okay, girly, so the nails are done. I got basic French. I got acrylic powder on my natural nails because I'm on a growth journey. I want my nails to grow. I want my lashes to grow. I want my hair to grow. I want my butt to grow. I'm just on a growth journey. Next up, I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to do my eyelashes because I'm really not like, I don't know. I don't ever get them done, but it's my birthday, so I'm trying to just go all out. I did order a pack of like individuals from Temu, and I feel like I could just try to put them on real quick and then just take them off because it's literally just for the day. I don't know how I feel about that, but Yeah, my cousin's girlfriend was supposed to do my lashes, but she moved the time from 8:30 to 10 to 12 to 1, and now I gotta go take my little brother to get a haircut, so I don't know if this is gonna work anyways. I can't do my eyebrows, so I'm mad about that because my eyebrow lady is there on specific days, and the last day she was there was yesterday, Sunday, and I didn't realize. Like I noticed too late with the time and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna just have to wait to get my eyebrows done the day of my birthday, and I'm not doing much. I think she's there either tomorrow or Wednesday, and tomorrow's the graduation, so hopefully it's tomorrow so I can just have my eyebrows done because I'm finna cry. While I'm figuring out my lashes and when I'm supposed to be going to do my eyebrows, I know that I'm going to be doing my hair today. I'm going to be dyeing, blow drying, and trimming my hair. And I haven't like had a blowout in a while, so I'm excited.
Talk to me and watch me crumble. You will see me come undone. Faithfully, I will look over. There I'll find what you've become. Never lose my mind.
Vlog. It's already my birthday. Happy Juneteenth. Yay! We're on my way to, well, yesterday, June 18th, was my little brother's graduation. And we're on my way now, on the way to his school for prom. It's hot, that's why I've been vlogging, but I'm gonna open the vlog so y'all can see. So yeah, that's what's going on. We're on the way to my little brother's school to meet with the limo driver, take some pics, drop them off, eat some din din, and call it a day.